Hello traders, the title of the video is how to trade the daily chart like a pro. Alright, so we are looking at the daily chart of American Incorporated Epic AEE Alpha Eco. I'm on the daily chart. This is an American stock that belongs to the utilities sector. Alright. So I want you to look at this daily chart, all right, and tell me whether you should buy or sell. Is he at a resistance zone? Is he at a support level? Okay, what is the first thing? Okay, I want you to concentrate, okay. In this session here, I'm going to place two vertical lines on the chart, and I want you to concentrate, all right, on what is happening here, and also have a bit of idea what has happened before. And tell me what is happening here. Well, suppose, all right, you are the person, all right, helping another trader, you are coaching another trader, and the person presents you with this chart and say, can you help me out, please? All right, what would you say to that person? So for that exercise, all right, I'll give you, okay, 1 minute. So some trader may say, George, I'm an advanced trader. Look at this guy. Who are you to tell me this? All right. So this is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy. I'm marine, okay, incorporated. All right. So your time is starting now. All right. I'll be looking at the chart myself. Just look at it. All right. What's coming to your mind? Okay, because when we are looking at the chart, when we are staring at the chart is communicating many data to us. What have you, okay, absorbed, so to speak, out of this chart, just looking at it on the daily chart. So you got 30 seconds left. All right. Did you find something? All right. It's going to be clear to you in a minute. Talking about how to trade the daily chart like a pro. A lot of swing traders love the daily chart and they make their decision on the daily chart, but there is a bit of mistake that they are making all the time. So with this video, I will give you a bit of idea what you can do or to improve your daily chart trading like a time zap. Ladies and gentlemen, or you remember when you were at school, they would tell you time is up, all right? Everybody stand up, close the book, all right? So thank you for your attention. So looking at this chart, all right, I think a lot of traders will quickly spot that the price consolidating in this zone, all right? So a lot of traders will see that. George, yes, I spotted that, very good, all right? It's consolidating between those two key levels. And if you look carefully, this one thing that a lot of traders do not pay attention to, though the consolidation is taking place, because we call the consolidation a balanced market, in theory, it means that there is, all right, equal force between the bullish traders and the bearish traders. But it's, practically speaking, one of the group is taking over gently. But sometimes the price will help us a bit to have a bit. You see that though the price consolidating is also forming higher lows, higher. But it's forming higher lows, all right? It's forming higher lows. Sometimes you see it will be forming lower highs. Yeah, this one you see consolidating, but it is this you can remember this. So it's something that you can say to some. So if we consider that okay, higher low, we can project it up and say the price does not go out for no reason. It's always headed to a specific target level. So you can put that target level by measuring, you see, from this low to the top of it, okay, kind of a triangle here, and you can project it here. So a lot of times they may say, George, though its consolidation is breaking out nicely here. Right? But if you stop on this daily chart alone, you can rush, all right, and buy only to be cooked. Now, you don't want that, okay? Another time may say, George, there's a round bottom here. So the price form a V button. Did you spot that? Very good, all right? Very good. And we see a consolidation. This is a kind of a cup and handle chart pattern. So some trader may say to me, George, are you talking about coffee or tea? All right, cup and handle chart pattern is a pattern that we trade. You can go to www.stochastic-market.com, click on cup and handle chart pattern. Don't Google it. Go to stochasticmargin.com, all right, so you may understand more, all right? Okay, so another message is a cap and handle pattern, so trader will use professional will measure the width of this cap, all right? And this is the neckline here. So the neckline is corresponding to the median line of that channel, so it's a very, very important median line of that channel. So neckline, also median line of that channel. So professional will use this. You see this tall measure, conservative measure. I don't bring it all the way down here. I just choose it roughly like this. I like to do that. All right, so I get paid before everybody else start coming out. And then we project it on top of the neckline. So all you are doing by looking at the chart or the daily chart, you are gathering information. But believe it or not, a lot of traders will only look at this section. Right? You want to look at it from different angles and gather enough information, because as you have enough data like this, the price there is telling you something, is showing you something, and you want to gather them all. It's like somebody passing on essential information to you. You don't just take one information and discard everything. Like suppose I say to you, I want you tomorrow, all right, to get up at 7, all right. I want you to have your breakfast 9 o'clock, all right. And I want you to have your dinner, okay, or your lunch at 1 p.m. So you need to gather all those 3 information. That you should gather, this time you should have your breakfast, this time you should have your lunch. And meet me at 4 p.m. at the X place. So this is exactly what the price is giving us, a lot of information as we are looking at it. But before you run away or before you get tired of me, you see now this is another information again. There was a channel here, and all I'm doing now, all right, you see now, I'm gathering information on this daily chart alone. And believe it or not, a lot of traders will look at the chart and they will only pick up one information and they run away with it and they say, George, I'm done, I'm going away. Right. So there is a high channel price. May try to return that channel. You see this channel, right? By the way, I'll be recording a video very soon when I'll be talking about emotion in the life of a day trader or swing trader, because trading is more about emotion. So stay tuned, please. So there's a high channel. But you see now, all I've done, I was gathering the message that the price is sharing with me. That measuring stick is very important. So you set it, you have your ultimate target, and then you want to place also your midpoint target by dividing the measuring stick into 2. Another trader may say, Joe, how about projecting the width of this channel here also to set it out? It will bring you inside, okay, you see, on the edge of that amazing, on the edge of that channel. This is what you need to do on the daily chart. You come on the daily chart, gather as much information as you can, because it's presented to you for free and you don't want to miss any information. But look carefully. Right? Look again. So you gather all this information, and there is one tool that I recommend to those who are trading on the daily chart. Do me a very big favor, okay, please. If you are stuck on a daily chart as a day trader or as a swing trader, all right, constantly use the pitchfork tool. Is it good enough for you? All right. See, by placing that pitchfork tool, you can see now the price is retesting the median line of that pitchfork tool. So a lot of traders may say to me, it's at a resistance zone on the median line. Good, that's true. All right. But one thing that a lot of day traders will do, they will just sell here. They will say, oh, it's going to go, that's how it is. They just use the daily chart alone. They don't want to know anything else. But it's a mistake. In order to trade the daily chart like a pro, you must connect it to the monthly chart. So you may say to me, George, I will never do that. And wait on a second, I'll show you something. So we had that right pitchfork tool. All right, so I'll go now. I'm going to put another pitchfork tool on my monthly chart and tell me whether that pitchfork tool can also be useful to you. The point I'm making, never use the daily chart alone. Always connect it to the monthly chart. You see a setup, all right, on the daily chart, all right. Be sure to any information, any data that you gather from the daily chart, be sure to check what the monthly chart is printing out. So you see now, so we have that the media line of both thing crossing there, but the price is a little bit above the media line. Can you see that channel? That pitchfork tool? Right now it's pink. Is it too bright? All right. Okay. You see now? So if I bring it back again to the daily chart, here we are. It crosses above the media line of the monthly chart. This is a very important information because though the price retests the media line of the daily chart, it has already gone above the media line of the monthly chart. Okay? So, the first step to trade the daily chart, open up the daily chart, gather as much information as you can. Alright? But put it aside. Now connect your daily chart with the monthly chart, which means you go to the monthly chart and you look around for more information. That's what we are doing now. So there is, this pink pitchfork tool, and the price goes above it. And also the monthly chart, the price goes above a key level. It's displaying a higher high. So far, before people were selling here, you see, when it came here, people were selling. So it looks to me that those sellers are having a hard time if this monthly candlestick bar closes bullishly. So you see now, so we have more information here. They were selling here before. They did sell it here. How do I know? Price went down. Do I need level 2? No. All right. There it is. Did they sell it, try to sell it here? Yes. How do I know? The price. The shadow on top. They were trying to sell it here. They were trying to sell it. Are they giving up a bit now? Yes, this one is selling in a bit, but we must wait for this candlestick bar to close first. I don't want the video to be too long. I'll be recording more video and I'll be talking about a daily chart, to help traders to understand more what is going on so they may avoid trading mistake. As I mentioned to you, next few days I'll start talking about emotion in trading, all right? If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up, alright? If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. It is free. Our channel is 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Subscribe today and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we are about to live stream a video, you will be the first person to be notified. Our Facebook page is Stochastic MACD. Alright? Sometimes I'm posting video first on Facebook, sometimes first on YouTube. So you want to follow us, on Facebook and also on YouTube. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to trade the daily chart like a pro. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Thank you for watching.